Hey everyone! Today I'm answering a question I get a lot, which is, does it matter how many times I take the SAT or ACT? And the hybrid associated questions that usually go with that include, will it hurt me if I take the test maybe for the third or fourth time? Or on the other side, would it help if schools see that I'm trying and taking the test multiple times? And the bottom line answer for all of these is it doesn't matter. Colleges and universities are going to look at a student's best score according to the method they use to determine what best means. And what I mean by that is some universities and colleges have decided they want a single test date score. So if you're taking the SAT, they're going to take your evidence-based reading and writing plus math from one day. They're not going to take one from October and one from December. ACT, they're going to take your composite from a single test. Other schools do what we call super score. They put together a super score by sort of cherry picking out the best results. It's more common to see this happen with the SAT, but some schools are doing that with the ACT as well. To use that to your advantage if you're applying to some of those schools. That means they might take your best English from the September test, your best math from October, your best reading from February, and your best science from October. And they average those then to make the best super score. But what they're doing when they're getting into the admissions process is they're saying, what score of whichever method we use to calculate is going to best represent this student in the admissions process? They're not spending a lot of time pondering how many times you took it or why you did or didn't take it more times. They have enough to think about. I will tell you the national average is for students to take these tests 2 to 3 times, but I've had clients decide I'm only going to take one test and I'm going to go for a fourth or sometimes even a fifth attempt because they've identified what happened in the past that kept them from reaching their score goal. Maybe I need to study a little bit more, need to do a little more work on math, need to get some more sleep the night before. Other times, students will take the SAT a couple times and the ACT a couple times. Colleges are not going to give you credit for doing this multiple times. They're really just going to look at the score. In fact, sometimes the decision makers aren't even looking at the full testing portfolio. They're just looking at the best score, and they're not seeing the others in their decision-making process. It's not going to hurt you. It's not going to help you. So plan ahead and do what you need to do to get the score you want.